37. Bedtime. The evening is coming. The sun sinks to rest. The rooks are all flying straight home to the nest. Caw, says the rook as he flies overhead. It's time little people were going to bed. The butterfly, drowsy, has folded its wing. The bees are returning. No more the birds sing. Their labor is over, their nestlings are fed. It's time little people were going to bed. Good night, little people. Good night and good night. Sweet dreams to your eyelids. Till dawning of light. The evening has come, there's no more to be said. It's time little people were going to bed.